So I want, okay, and so I basically want to show you one more thing, basically, which is what that after the admin approved the payment over there from the admin account, so I got notified that I approved the amount, and if I go to my manage account, so you will see the 3000 USDT in my sport account, 3010 in my funding account, and in future you will also see 3000 in my account. So in the dashboard you will also see the history, which is the recent history, and here is the USDT which I have right now. Let me go to this future trading. So basically over there is 100 US 100. So I will like, I will buy approximately to my 1500 and buy along. I don't know about it. That why it is giving me an error. So let's see. Oh, I must say there would be something wrong in it. So let me check. So I will go to the USDT, and the size would be 100, and let me buy it. So as you can see, there would be in the open order position. Here it is. My whole the the thing I buy over there, the rate and then the size and the fight oscillation system and overall, and there is the leverage that you can buy till 100. After let me go to the, this is our basically a US market, so I will go to the cryptocurrency as well. So I will simply go to the future trade. Okay, so let me change the stock over here, and I would go to Bitcoin in USDT dollar. So here is the price of Bitcoin. So I would go over and buy for the 2000, and the size is also like 2000. Let me buy it. So as you can see that I got the two order over here. One is from the, one is from this, and the cryptocurrency thing. So let me also trade for the Bitcoin, which basically I want to trade for over here. This is the, okay. Okay, so over here I just go and select the Bitcoin. Here is the total USDT which I have right now. So I will simply go over this, like I will buy for my 50% of amount. So I will buy the BTC, and here it is. The position is open. So when the position is open, and when I will be on the right point where I buy the position, so I will get my order will be get filled, and that's it for now. As you can see that this is my open order right now, and also in the US market I have at least two positions open. There, one it is over here for the BTC, and one is for the future trade where it is. I would say it would be short over that. That is it. So I have the two position right now. Here is the future. Let me check. Sorry, and that's it. Like we have the both positions for crypto and for the US market. So well, that's is the end point, and also we can see uh, in our wallet. In my wallet is right now. The price in my wallet is like this because I just buy 100 of this and 100 of US market and whatever, and that's it.